Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen Beetle tire. First, ensure your car is on a level, safe surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake and turn on your hazard lights for safety. Locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, usually found in the trunk. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire, turning counterclockwise. Now, position the jack securely under the car's frame, close to the flat tire. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact jack points. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground. Once lifted, finish unscrewing the lug nuts by hand and place them in a safe spot. Then, carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Next, carefully lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push the spare tire onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the studs as much as you can. Once the nuts are snug, use the jack to slowly lower the vehicle until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. With the spare tire touching the ground, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once they are all tight, lower the car completely and remove the jack. Remember to check your spare tire's air pressure as soon as possible and get your flat tire repaired. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.